to everyone. Welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video, we have learned about electronic bank statement, the configurations of electronic bank statement. Today we will continue this topic, and today firstly we will book one invoice, then we will pay to the vendor, and then we will upload a bank reconciliation statement. So go to SAP and book one invoice under the T code FB60. As we have booked earlier also. Here, if you are not with your company code, select your company code. Continue. Select your vendor. I am taking this Royal Choice and Company. Invoice date, that is 21st of June. Posting date 21st of June. Then here we will give an amount of rupees 70,000. Give narration here. Here you can give a reference number, like I am giving reference number. Here you need to select a GL, press F4 key, enter. Here we will select a expense account GL, give amount of rupees 70,000. Here we will give a assignment number. It should enter. It must be entered because at the time of electronic bank statement, we need to give a assignment number as a bank reference number. So remember to mention this assignment number. As I am giving this 7777, you need to give as per your invoice. Give a value date. Enter. Enter. Now you can simulate this entry. Enter. Here you can see the expense GL is debited with 40 posting key and the vendor account is credited with 31 posting key with the amount of rupees 70,000. So we will, if it is the correct entry, so you can post from here. So now you can see invoice has posted. We will get back. Now next thing is we have booked the invoice. Now we will pay to the vendor with the T code F-53. Go back to SAP. Run the T code F-53. Enter. Here we will select a document date of 21st of June. Posting date I am taking 26th of June and posting date is also 26th of June. Document type is KZ for vendor payment. Company code, currency. Then here we will give a bank account. Press F4 key and select your outgoing bank account. amount with rupees 70,000. Value date is 22nd. You can mention the text also. Vendor payment. Press F4 key to select your open item. Enter. Select your vendor against which we have to pay the amount. Select account type is K for vendor. Here again mention the assignment number and click on process open item. Here you can see these are the invoices which has in open item. So select your account, deactivate this and this. I want to pay to this vendor. So we will deactivate these two entries and select this one, and here you can see the balance, not assigned balance, is 0. Now you can post it. Now you can see the entry was posted. We'll get back. You can check the balance. FBL 1N to check the vendor line item. Select your vendor. Royal Choice and Company. All items. Execute. Here you can see Royal Choice and Company. On 22nd, on 21st, the vendor invoice was booked by the document number this with amount of rupees 70,000. On 22nd, it has cleared with the document type KZ and document number is 150015, amount of rupees 70. So these are the entry which we have booked now. This is for vendor invoice and this is for vendor payment. We will get back. Now next step is we will post the bank reconciliation statement under the T code FF67. Run the T code FF67. Firstly, check it. Click on the settings, specifications. Under this, select your variant TAVAR and click on select 2 number for processing type. Then continue. Now company code is Tata, or you can check under overview. Here is a Tata. You can see, double click on it. Posting completed. So we will click on this new statement so that it has transferred the opening balance also. Now all these things have selected by continuing from a previous. Or if you have a zero balance, so you can mention here company code, select your house bank, give your account ID, statement number, statement date and currency. Now opening balance is 70,000, or you can check under the T code FBL 3N. Here we will select our bank accounts, all items, execute. Here you can see this is our main bank. It is credited with 70,000. This amount is as our opening balance, and closing balance is, suppose I want to clear which entry I have posted now in a outgoing bank. It is showing as a open item. Here you can see on 22nd 50,000 is 70,000 is showing open item vendor payment. So I want to reconcile this entry. So the closing balance will be 1,40,000. After the calculating of your opening or after the calculating your outgoing bank and incoming bank, we have to mention the closing bank balance 1,40,000 minus posting date is 22nd. Here give a bank posting session number. I am giving TA02. Enter. Here I need to select the transaction. Type TA02 for outgoing bank. Value date is for 22nd. Check it. Here value date is 22nd. 22/06/2020. Amount is minus 70,000. And here we need to mention the bank reference number, which bank reference number is our assignment number. So I have mentioned here. Continue. Now you can see both the amounts is same. So you can save it. List saved. Now click on this bank statement. Post individual statement. List posted. Now you can go through, click on this system, services, bank input or session, or you can run the T code /O SM35. Here you can see the session has created TA02. Select your session, click on process, click on display errors only, enter. Continue. Now we'll get back. Run the T code FBL3N to check your main bank balance. Select your main bank account. All items. Execute. Now here you can see the balance has transferred into main bank with the amount of rupees 70,000, and main bank balance is now credited with 1,40,000. So like this, friend, you can run your electronic bank statement and check the main bank balance. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.